this is May from Moissanite. It's been a minute since I've been on here, but today I want to show you guys on how to clean your jewelry at home. So let's get started. If your rings are starting to look cloudy like this, don't worry. It's usually just buildup from everyday wear, like lotion, soap, and hand sanitizer. To help keep your jewelry looking its best, try taking it off before applying lotion or sanitizer, showering, washing dishes, swimming, gardening, exercising, or using cleaning products. For more information, check the link in the description below. Now, let's bring the sparkle back. First, you'll need the jewelry you like to clean. Some warm water, a cup of clean water for rinsing, an empty bowl or cup, gentle dish soap, a soft jewelry cloth, and a soft toothbrush. If you have softer gemstone like opal, morganite, or aquamarine, make sure to check the link in the description below before you proceed. To start, I'll fill the cup with warm water and add a few sprays of dish soap. Then I'll give it a quick mix and let the rings soak for about 30 minutes. Once the time's up, I'll take the rings out one by one and gently scrub each piece. I'm starting with the wedding bands. Since these have natural diamonds, I can gently scrub between the prongs, around the stone, and behind them, where dirt tends to build up. Then I'll place the ring in the cup of clean water and repeat the same steps with the second band. Next, I'll move on to the engagement ring. Since the center stone is moissanite, I can gently scrub the shank, around the halo, behind the center stone, and even the surface of the stone. If your ring has a softer gemstone, like opal, morganite, or aquamarine, don't scrub it the same way, as it may scratch the stone. Be sure to check the link in the description below for more information. Always clean your jewelry over a bowl or cup, not over a sink, just in case anything comes loose. After cleaning, gently rinse each piece in a cup of clean water to remove any remaining soap. Then dry each piece right away with a soft jewelry cloth or even the microfiber cloth you use to clean your glasses. Then let your jewelry air dry for a few minutes before wearing it again. At L'Amour Design, we also offer professional cleaning for jewelry we've made. For more information, please email us at hello@lamourdesign.com. Thank you so much for watching.